Hi, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today is Sunday Motivation Day. So today we've got a jam-packed video full of all kinds of different motivation and just getting stuff done around the house. It's not about getting everything done. It's just about getting what you can and what you need to get done to create your best home and take care of your home. So let's get in it and let's get started. I'm going to get started here in my bedroom first. I am going to go ahead and strip off the sheets and replace them. I love this. It's kind of a sage green pinstriping sheet. I love it for the winter time. And so I'm going to go ahead and switch out, and I'm going to also switch into my heavier bedding for winter. It's not quite there yet in terms of me needing it, but I'm just kind of craving the coziness of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Get your list going, get a drink, get some water. Don't forget to hydrate, or a cup of coffee, and get going. And let's do this together, and just start wherever you need to, and let's get going. It felt so good to get my car washed. I've been doing a lot of plant purchasing for the front yard, which you'll see coming up soon. And it just was like so disgusting with so much dirt and plant, and just really, really needed a good vacuum and a good wash. So that felt good. So I am back juicing celery, and I am actually really feeling the difference. Not going into too much, and going into, I am not a doctor. I read a lot of books on different subjects, and the celery juice, just for cleaning out your gut, has really been instrumental in so many different areas, especially my mental health. And so I'm back at it. I had a big bunch. My daughter-in-law picked up this celery because clearly there's some kind of issue with celery. I can't find it at Costco's. couldn't find it at places over here by my house, so she picked me up some. So I was really grateful for that. So I was getting that all taken care of. My son actually started drinking celery juice. They're getting ready to go on a big trip, and hopefully when he gets back, he will continue it. But yeah, it's a chore. But, you know, if you can juice for like the whole week, then it just makes it that much easier. You only have cleanup, you know, the one time. But, you know, it's all mindset, right?
To think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, Everybody singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile.
Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I gave you a lot of motivation and that you were able to get a lot of things checked off on your to-do list, and you know that you're feeling good about yourself, because even if you got one thing done, you know, that's a win. So I'm glad I could be here to motivate you and maybe even clean with you. And I just thank you so much for being here. I hope you will take a minute to subscribe and like this video. It helps me out so much. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.
Let me love you.